Hi everyone, and welcome to the second part of this series on how to replace your driveshaft support bearing. And now we will start by making a quick recommendation to all of you. Please get a good quality replacement bearing because, well, I got a cheap one, the one on the left, and it died after just 15 miles of driving. So yeah, I had to do everything again and buy another one, so get a good quality one since the beginning. Now the bearing will have two marks one mark on each side, one mark with an F and one mark with an R. So the side that has an F on it will go towards the transmission, and the side with the R will face the rear axle, just like you can see right here. So you're going to place the bearing over the drive shaft, and you're gonna drive it in using a flathead screwdriver or a chisel, but I prefer the screwdriver. Now the thing right here is that you have to be careful because the screwdriver is very close to the seal, as you can see right here, and you don't want to damage the seal. So you're gonna drive it in until it looks something like this, not too deep, but it has to be in firmly. Now you're gonna reinstall the yoke and the knot, and you're gonna tighten the knot using the 15-16 inch socket, but you have to keep in mind that you have to align the marks that you previously made. Now, just in case you forgot to make the marks or you can see them anymore, I'll leave a diagram here on how you are supposed to face the U-joints so that you can do it. Now you're gonna spin the drive shaft over the bearing, and it has to spin smoothly, and it shouldn't be tight or shouldn't have any resistance. And if it feels good, you're going to reinstall the center U-joint, tighten into 4 5/16 inch bolts, and the drive shaft will be ready to be reinstalled on the vehicle. So you're going to start by installing it on the transmission, either on the slip yoke or the fixed yoke, and then you're going to install the two 17mm bolts that hold the carrier bearing. But you are not going to tighten them, just threading in a couple of threads and let it to be loose. And now install the four 14mm bolts holding the drive shaft and rear axle, and you're going to tighten them. Now you're going back on the carrier bearing, and you're going to try to align the bearing, and then you're going to tighten the two 17mm bolts. And now it's time to go for a test drive. Now on this test drive, you're gonna hear for any weird noises or feel for any vibrations that were not in there before placing the bearing. And if everything feels fine, then you're good to go and you're finished the job. Now please be safe, everyone. Because of the quarantine, I couldn't drive as far as I wanted to. But hopefully this will all end soon, and we are going to be able to hit the trails as we used to do. So yeah, take care everybody, be safe, and if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. And once again, thanks for watching.